How to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to Let Me Help. Without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Messenger app from your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. In order to remove the end-to-end encryption, open the chat that is on end-to-end encryption mode. Long tap onto the chat and tap on the option that says restrict. Once you restrict this account, you will be no longer notified about your activities and you will see less of them. You also have the option to unrestrict that account at any time. Another way you could do it is tap on the 3-bar icon on your top left and tap on the settings icon. Here scroll below and tap on the privacy and safety. Under security, you will see end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap open it and tap on security alerts. Here toggle on the option that says security alerts and you will be good to go. The third way you could remove end-to-end encryption is deleting the whole chat. Long tap onto it and tap on delete. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this.